In today's digital world, cyber threats can strike anytime, and detecting them early is critical. That's where Wireshark comes in. It's a powerful, free tool used by cybersecurity professionals to uncover what's really happening on your network. Wireshark captures live network traffic and lets you inspect packets in real time. It helps identify attacks like SYN floods, ARP spoofing, DNS tunneling, malware communication, and port scans. You can filter suspicious data, analyze protocols, and track anomalies, all at the packet level. For example, during SYN flood, just apply the filter TCP DOT flags DOT SYN equals 1 and ACK equals 0. Repeated requests without replies? That's a red flag. You can also detect strange ARP responses or encrypted traffic to unknown IPs. Need expert help with cybersecurity tasks or AT projects? Contact My Assignment Solution. WhatsApp us at +9 1700 320 895 or visit myassignmentsolution.org.